What's up, baddies? It's your girl Tanisha K, the awesome baddie, period. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to color your 613 wig honey blonde, aka black girl blonde. I am going to be using the watercolor method. This is an Amazon wig. The company name is The Talent Show. I previously did a wig review plus install on this wig already, so the link will be inside of the description box if you guys want to check that out. I'm going to be using the purple shampoo. You can find this anywhere, any hair store, Walmart, Walgreens, anywhere. I'm going to be using this brand in honey brown. This is also at the hair store. You'll also need a bucket of water. I prefer a clear bucket just so that I'll be able to make sure the color is the color and it is mixed very well. I just use warm water. It doesn't have to be hot. Some people use hot, but I just use warm water. So I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze like a good amount of the purple shampoo inside of the water, and then I'm going to start mixing. You want to make sure that you mix really well. You don't want those clumps still inside of the water, because then you will really get a purple chunk in your wig, and we don't want that. So make sure that you mix really well. This is why I prefer a clear bucket, just to make sure that everything gets mixed. Then I'm going to go in and squeeze a good amount also of the honey brown, and again we are going to mix and just make sure, like I said, that it is mixed in really well and there are no clumps. So now that everything is mixed, we're just going to go ahead and dump the whole wig in. I'm only dumping the front end first because I kind of want like my front to be a little bit darker or a different dimension than the back. So I did that first so it can get color first. But if you don't want that, just go ahead and dump your whole wig inside of the bucket. I would say go ahead and dump the whole wig in at one time. Don't dip the ends first and then, you know, dip the rest of it, because with the watercoloring, the color gravitates to whatever first is in. So just go ahead and dump the whole wig in at one time so that you will have a good consistency instead of like so much different dimension. Duck it in, get it soaked really good, and then I like to dump it up and down just to kind of make sure all of the hair gets wet and saturated, and you know that color is getting to all parts of the wig. I also comb through just to make sure that the color is getting to all parts of the wig. So after I make sure all of the wig is saturated and color has gotten to it, I just kind of let it sit in the bucket of water for about 30 minutes and let it all soak up. So this is what the wig is looking like. Once again, I told you guys that I wanted my front to be a little bit different from my back. So this is how it came out, the different dimension, but it's still not the color that I wanted. So I'm going to go back in and do it one more time. So I got me some fresh water, warm water, and this time I'm just gonna put the honey brown inside of the water. I'm only doing a little bit at a time to get the color that I'm looking for. I'm going to mix this really well and then add some more just to get the color that I am looking for. That's why I prefer a clear bucket, just so you can really see the color that you're looking for. So this is too light. I'm going to go back in with some more. I'm probably going to do this a couple of times until I actually get the color that I'm looking for. So now that it is the color that I'm looking for, I'm just gonna go ahead and dump the whole wig in and just let that soak up the color. If you can already tell, like, the water is getting lighter because the wig is really soaking up that color already. So I'm just gonna dump it up and down and do the same process that I did from before. And then I'm going to let that sit inside of the water for another 30 minutes. So after shampooing it, this is the color. This is how it came out. I'm so in love. Like I said, I wanted different dimensions, so this is how it turned out. I love it, love it, love it. So this is the color when it's dry. I went in and sloppily did the roots with that same honey brown. I just rubbed it on the front of the roots, and I wouldn't suggest you do it as sloppy as I did because I kind of got it on some parts of the wig also. But yeah, this is how the hair turns out. So cute, so pretty, and I really recommend this blonde for, you can see that's where I got some of the color on the wig. So yeah, if you want to root your hair, just kind of take your time with it. But yeah, this is how it came out. I really recommend this blonde for the black girls. It's just so pretty against our skin tone. So here's a side-by-side of the before and after. You guys can really see a difference. It's so pretty. Like, I really love the honey blonde. Like, so pretty. So if you guys love the way I styled this wig, there is a video out, an Amazon wig review plus install. Go ahead and check that out. The link will be inside of the description box. I love you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The baddie is out.